CBS 4 weather with Chief Meteorologist Craig Setzer.
Well, lots of weather to talk about today. It was super hot and humid. We were just shy of the records by 1 degree. And then we had afternoon thunderstorms and even some hail in Fort Lauderdale. And then this evening, quite the lightning show with one storm that came off out of Biscayne Bay and then turned to the left, kind of moving like that to the northeast. And it was a prolific lightning producer. And because the skies were clear behind it, lots of folks saw the lightning. Here's where we are now. It is quiet over the mainland. There's that shower now, no longer a thunderstorm, and a little bit of lightning down by Bimini. How did it look? Well, if you missed it, that's kind of what it looked like. This is not time lapse. That is just real time, the way the lightning looked. There's 3 levels of what we call lightning. We call it occasional, which is about a lightning strike every 30 seconds. There's frequent, which is a lightning strike about every 5 to 10 seconds. And there's continuous, and basically this was continuous lightning off to the east over the waters. No thunder though, because it was far enough offshore, the thunder not making it quite back to the land. Some folks call it heat lightning. No such thing. Lightning always produces thunder. It's just too far away in this case. 75 in Miami, 75 Fort Lauderdale, Hollywood, 78 in Key West. Sticking at scales of 5, fairly humid, 84% humidity. An east wind at 7 and about 2/10 of an inch of rain coming in MIA. Other areas saw a little bit more, but the heaviest rains missed the airports, these locations here. About a half an inch coming in Fort Lauderdale, Hollywood, and that even included a little bit of hail, and a 1/3 of an inch coming from Pompano, as well as about a 1/4 of an inch coming in from Oakland Park. In terms of the high temperatures, upper 80s in northern Broward and low to mid 90s today. The 91s Fort Lauderdale and Miami. Those were just a degree shy of tying the records for the date. Current feels like temperatures, it's much nicer out there. Temperatures in the mid 70s, and the breeze, it's a gentle out of the east to east-southeast, but it is a little bit less humid too. We saw some wind gusts up to 38 miles an hour coming in Fort Lauderdale, Hollywood. There's the front. It is just on top of us and it fades out. So this drier air, this really nice and dry air up here, doesn't quite get here. It gets close. So tomorrow is going to be less hot, less humid, but not spectacular. It's still going to feel pretty warm, spring-like. On Sunday, Mother's Day, the humidity starts to return just a little bit and the temperatures start to head back up. Here's our forecast then for tonight. A quiet night, not as muggy, a low in the low 70s. For tomorrow, look for a good deal of sunshine, a few passing clouds, breezy, less hot, and less humid. High temperature near 86. On the water, winds out of the northeast, seas up to 7 feet.